Hello, thanks for joining. Today I would like to show you how you can analyze your creatives performance in Revealbot and set up automation to scale the ad sets with the best creatives. First, let's look at our top creative support. I'm analyzing the performance of the creatives used for webinar promotions, so I've set my filters to target by campaign and ad set name. I would like to analyze the creators by spend and my custom metric cost per webinar page view, which is simply calculated by dividing spend by the number of views. Now let's check out the report. So these are different variations of my creative, and I can sort them in an ascending or descending order by the cost per webinar page view, and I can also see the average value for this metric at the top. If I click to see the breakdown for each creative, I can view how a specific creative performed within the various ad sets. But what I'd like to do is look at the average cost and set up automation to increase the budget for ad sets that have a cost value below the average. So now let's go into the automations page, and I'm going to set up the rule on the ad set level, and we'll use the same filters as I did in my report. And let's set the rule to increase the budget by 20% once a day max with €100 cap. For conditions, I'm going to use the average cost per webinar page view, so let's double check that it's 156. And I also want to make sure that it's not 0, so I've added the second condition as well. So my rule will give a 20% budget boost to ad sets that have a CPO below average, and I'll get notifications each time this happens. I have shown you just one way of using Revealbot features to analyze and automate your ad management, but there are plenty of other options to scale and optimize your ads. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.